Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on Android phones. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The process will be very similar on all Android devices, but the names of some settings may be different. The first thing you need to do is open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings and find either System Settings or General Management and tap on it. Now tap Language. If you only have one language listed here, you will have to add another language to change to. Tap Add Language. Choose your language from the list and then choose the dialect you would like if applicable. You can now choose Set as Default to make that language your default language. The language in the number 1 slot will be the primary language used on your phone. You can change the primary language by tapping Edit in the top right, and then dragging another language to the primary spot with the arrows to the right of the language. Tap back and the language will be changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.